So in this lecture, we are discussing about the Dirichlet problem for exterior for the circle. That means the problem is stated like this: for Laplace equation del square equal to 0, which we can convert into the polar coordinates by using x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, uxx plus uyy equal to 0 converted into this equation. And here we are considering the region, that is r is greater than a. What does it mean? That your disk with radius a, it is exterior of that circle. That means this r is greater than a, that means it will represent this area or this region. With the boundary condition u of a theta is equal to f of theta, obviously this u is bounded as r goes to infinity. That condition is also there. The boundary condition that is on this circle, it has given the value is f of theta. Now to solve this problem, we have to use the discussion which we have discussed in the previous lecture. That is the Dirichlet problem for interior of the circle. That is stated like this, that a problem is stated that the Laplace equation is equal to this, equal to 0, where r is less than a, that is inside of the circle we have. Subject to boundary conditions, it is on the circle we have a value of u is f of theta, and this problem has a solution which we have discussed in my previous two video, is u of r theta is equal to this solution is there, which is where this an and bn are the constant which can be calculated using the Fourier coefficients, and they are represented in this manner. And we also prove that this has a solution is equivalent to write down in the form of Poisson integral formula in this fashion. And this is known as a Poisson integral formula. So here our objective is to discuss the solution of this problem, that is the problem for Dirichlet for exterior of the circle. We must note that here this u is bounded as r tends to infinity. So such solution, such a general solution is, such problem has a general solution is u of r theta is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n running from 1 to infinity r by a power n into the here into the interior of a circle. We have r by a power n. Here in this it is r by a power minus n, an cos n theta plus bn sin n theta. This is the solution for that problem. And if you apply a boundary condition, applying the boundary condition, u of a theta is equal to f of theta, we obtain u of a theta is equal to, if I substitute r equal to a into this formula or this expression, we have a0 by 2, here r is a, so it is a theta is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n running from 1 to infinity. R upon a is gives me 1, so it will gives me an cos n theta plus bn sin n theta, and hence this is represented as a Fourier series of the function f of f, as the function f is periodic function. Hence we got what is the value of an. An is 1 by pi, 0 to pi, 2 pi, f of tau cos n tau d tau, and bn is 1 by pi, 0 to 2 pi, f of tau sin n tau d tau. So this will be the value of an and bn we get. And as you have recalled my previous situation where we got the Poisson integral formula using this solution, in the similar argument, if you can apply as we have discussed in the Dirichlet problem for interior of a circle, in the same manner, if you substitute the value of a0, an and bn into this, and if you simplify entire thing, will achieve the solution. So on substituting, for an and bn in the equation, that means if I can say this is the equation number star, then in the equation star, and proceeding as in the Dirichlet problem, for interior of circle, we get the solution in terms of Poisson integral formula, that is u equal to rho a theta, where rho is r by a. As we know that in the Poisson integral formula we have this 1 minus rho, but here the value of r by a is greater than 1, because here it is less than 1 into the interior of the circle, but for exterior it is greater than 1. So if we can go in the similar manner, then you will have u of r theta is 1 by pi, 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, rho minus 1. Instead of 1 minus rho, it is rho square minus 1. 1 minus 2 rho cos theta minus tau plus rho square f of tau d tau will be the solution we got, where the value of rho is r by a. So this is in terms of Poisson integral formula, the solution of the exterior of circle for Dirichlet problem, and this is the another solution we have. So that's it for this a Dirichlet problem for exterior of a circle. If you have any doubts, you can ask.